What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we gonna be putting the underglow that I had under my Caprice under this Charger, you feel me? So I already took it off for the Caprice. Like I said, I didn't really know how I felt about it. You don't really see too many old schools like that with underglow, you feel me? So you see them most gently with like the halo headlights, or yeah, that's really it. Halo headlights. I don't really see too many with underglow, so I thought I was gonna do something different, but then again, I didn't really like it. So went ahead and took them off. Y'all can see we got them right here. We're gonna be throwing them under this Charger. So this Charger gonna have underglow and star headlights, and I still have to redo my headliner because, like I told y'all when I was doing it, the only headliner that they had that was near me was navy blue. It's like a really dark blue, and you could tell it's not black. So I'm ending up getting more headliner. I want to get like a suede headliner or something, you feel me, and put suede headliner up here, make black suede headliner, you feel me, something like that, something that look like Alcantara or something like that, you feel me. That's what I plan on doing. Hopefully I can find some somewhere that's close. If not, I'm gonna have to just order some again. And yeah, so that's really it. We're gonna be throwing the underglow under this car. I'm still waiting on my Cutlass. I need to really get that car back so I can start like cleaning it up and seeing what all I really need to get and do with that car, you feel me. So yeah, that's what we got to prepare for the Cutlass. That's what we're waiting on. So like I said, I already got everything organized, or it was. The cords look like it's getting messed up a little bit now, but we finna go ahead and throw this under the car. And one good thing about this is my battery is in my trunk, so it should be pretty easy for me to run this wire I've already put, you feel me, for my battery. So like I said, hopefully this should be pretty quick and easy. Hopefully it don't take too long. We're gonna try and get this done pretty quickly. Before we get started, y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. I drop 4 times a week. I want to start getting to posting daily so I can try to get my views to go back up, but we're gonna figure something out. But we're finna go ahead and get started on this. Let me try to run this wire, and I'm gonna come back to y'all and show y'all how I'm doing it. Alright y'all, so I've been struggling trying to figure out how I was gonna run it. I figured I was gonna go through the back since my battery is back there, but I went ahead and went through the front because like I said, the cord's not long enough anyway. So we just got the 2 sides in the front again like we had on the Caprice. So I could go ahead and show y'all a little bit of it real quick. Y'all probably won't be able to see it too good, but hold on, I'm trying to fix my camera. That's this one side. And like I said, we just ran the 2 sides in the front again because these cords are too short. I'm gonna have to get another one if I want to redo it too. I'm gonna have to cut some of them zip ties so they don't be too long. And then the last one, 3, y'all can see the zip tie, you feel me. So I got it ran up here to this part of the battery. So let me go ahead and go ahead and undo this one. Then I'm gonna have to tie down my wires a little more. That way my wires are hidden and not you feel me. They won't be getting hot or be on nothing that's too hot. Force it down. Don't want to go down, so you're gonna have to cut the ends off. 1. Come on off, see. little bit more again, bro. Come on. Shoot. That should work. Ratchet this on down. And don't forget, at nighttime, I'm gonna show y'all what everything's looking like. You feel me? What the lights look like at night. I just gotta remember to do it. Alright, this power wire. Done with that one. Let's get this ground off. I don't know if I said front battery, but it's not no front battery. This is just like the connector to the battery that's in the trunk. You feel me? So I shouldn't have to cut the ground. The ground should be perfect. Yeah, that's what I thought. I shouldn't have to cut the ground. Light should be on now, y'all. Go ahead and do a little test look real quick. Let's look and see. Oh, hold on. I'll close y'all up. Yep. Like I said, lights on. It's not hard hooking them up. It's just how you gonna run them is the only thing. Sorry if y'all gotta turn y'all phones. Let me see if I can straighten y'all up with my tripod. Yeah, so that's all this is. Let me make sure my phone connects still. Oh, hold on, y'all. Gotta fix my tripod again. Alright, let me see if my phone still connect. If so, then we good. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, my phone's still connected, so we good. So like I said, when it turned back dark, I'm gonna come back and show y'all what the car looking like. So let me finish hiding these wires a little bit to where they won't overheat and stuff. Then when it get dark outside, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Ooh, my bad, y'all. Yeah, I like it though. I think it'll look good on this Charger anyways. I got starlights inside. I got LEDs under the car, underglow. It's pretty dope, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, let me finish these little wires up. Then when it get dark outside, I'm gonna come back to y'all so y'all can see it. Let y'all get the full look of the car at nighttime. So catch y'all. Well, it's gonna be like a quick snap for y'all, but catch y'all in a couple hours. All right, y'all, so it's nighttime. Y'all can tell, can't really see me, but I'm finna go ahead and agree to show y'all the car at night. Let me try and turn this back on. Yeah, and y'all still can't see, bro. Y'all still can't really tell, but let me try and change the color real quick. See, red, blue, get something a little brighter. Yeah, so do it like that for now. Y'all can't really tell, but y'all can see we ain't got nothing in the back, but we do have the sides and the front. It's pretty fine. It's pretty dope, you feel me? I like it. Let me see, I got my car key on me. There's a car coming down the street, y'all, but yeah, y'all can see barely. You feel me? We got lights on the front, the side, and the back. I mean the front and the sides, not the back. Let me try and change the color again. Let's go blue, orange, yellow. Y'all see? Green, blue, red, pink, purple, red. There's still purple. That's a red. Orange, if it can go. Orange, yellow, lime green, green. I think I'm gonna sit it on green for now. I like it green. Yep. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I like the Underglow. I just need to get one for the back now. I can see if I can probably try and order just one really long LED strip. Run it on down to the back. Yeah, y'all can see it pretty good now. You feel me? Good little color. Good little color. We got color under the car now. Oh, I didn't mean to change it. Go back white. Yeah. It show up really good on the camera. In person, it don't look like it. But let me go ahead and end this video now. Turn the LEDs off. Let y'all watch me turn it off. You feel me? Turn it off real quick. Here we go. Yep, so alright y'all, that's gonna be it for this one. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all like the LED strips we put on the car. I don't know why I locked the door. I'm finna get right back out. But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope y'all like the LEDs under this car. I think it fits this car better than the Caprice, you feel me? So we're gonna rock out with this, and let me turn this off. Show y'all my starlights. We still got starlights in here, as y'all can see. I do need to fix it so it'll be a little better. But we do got starlights. They look really good though, at nighttime especially. But it's still a little bit I need to fix. Y'all can see it's like a little patches, because some of the strips went back up. Even though I put super glue on it, some of the strips still went back up, and I think it's because of the headliner. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Unplug that. Turn my light back on. Yeah, so like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. Hopefully we picking up the colors, man, within the next couple days. Hopefully, man. Hopefully. But I don't, like I said, I don't want to rush them because I want it to be perfect. Well, I want the car to run perfectly. Then we can work on the looks of the car, you feel me? But we got Underglow under this car. We got starlights in this car. Got wheels on this car. This car pretty much done. I just need to fix my headliner. And I want to get some SRT seats and end up changing the motor, but like I said, I ain't gonna worry about none of that because this motor is still running perfectly fine. So I ain't gonna worry about none of that right now. So yeah, still a couple more things we need to do. We need to worry about getting that Caprice and that Cutlass. Then I'm gonna focus on that Cadillac. So make sure y'all stay tuned for everything that we got going on. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. It's gonna be it for this one. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one.